Hi, welcome to Bit.ai, the most powerful wiki and document collaboration platform on the planet. In this video, we're going to teach you how to invite and work with guests outside of your organization. Bit.ai has been built for teams and organizations of various sizes to help them collaborate and work together. In addition to being able to collaborate with your team, Bit.ai allows you to invite clients, investors, board members, contractors, vendors, and partners. You have the choice, depending on the depth of your relationship, to invite them into your Bit organization as a user or as a guest. The biggest difference between users and guests are the following. Users can create workspaces, users can create documents, users can have full access permissions, edit-only permissions, comment-only permissions, and read-only permissions. Guests, on the other hand, cannot create workspaces, they cannot create documents, they can have comment-only and read-only permissions. Guest access is available on the business plan, and you can invite up to 50 guests for free. Let's first walk through how you can invite guests. As you likely know by now, Bit's platform starts with workspaces. Workspaces can be created around your company, teams, big projects, board meetings, investor portals, or clients. For this example, let's create a client portal. Workspaces are private and are only visible to you unless you add collaborators. The first thing you'll notice is on the top right corner, I'm the only person in this workspace. If you have full access, click on the plus icon and an Add Collaborator pop-up will display. Here you can search across your team members who are part of your organization. Let's go ahead and add one more user. Next, you'll want to assign a permission level. You can choose from full access, edit-only access, comment-only access, or read-only access. Once you're done, click Add. An email and in-app notification will be delivered to them, letting them know that they've been added. You can also see that on the same pop-up, you can add guests to join your workspace. You can search through existing guests that you've already invited and add them to an additional workspace, or if you're an admin or manager, you can click on the Invite button on the bottom right corner to invite new guests to your workspace. Make sure that there's always at least one workspace that your guests have been invited to. By default, your guests will be given read-only access that you can update at any time after they've joined. After you invited the guest, they'll receive an email invitation. They'll need to click on Join Organization and they'll be taken to your company's custom login page. You'll see that your company's logo and organization name are on top. They'll need to enter their name, password, and add an optional job title or job department to get started. Once they've logged in, you'll receive an email letting you know that they joined. At this time, you can edit their permissions from read-only to comment-only. Your guests will come to a dashboard where they'll see the workspaces that they've been added to, the recent documents that they've opened, their favorite documents. They can search across all their workspaces, folders, document titles, as well as the content inside their documents. When they open up a workspace, you'll see that the only tab they have access to is the Documents tab, where they can view folders, documents, and pinned documents, as well as a workspace note that you can customize for them. They can also see all the users of the workspace. Let's walk through what guests with comment-only access experience first. Comment-only guests can read the document and interact with the document. They can favorite documents, they can use the table of contents, and they can receive notifications and comments. They can click on the comment icon and create a new comment thread. They can respond back to those comments by mentioning anyone in the workspace. They can also edit and delete their comments. If you've shared a wiki with them, they can access the wiki panel and navigate through the tree to find information quickly. Read-only guests can do everything comment-only guests can do, except starting a new comment thread or responding back to comments. Read-only guests can be mentioned in a comment. They can receive email notifications and in-app notifications for these comments. And they can read those comments, but they don't have access to add comments back. You can see that guests don't have access to sharing, exporting, or document settings. If it's important to include the ability to export your document for your guests, then we recommend that you export your Bit document as a PDF and upload a copy at the bottom of your Bit document. You can add directive and information to help them download. And if your guest needs a copy, they can choose to download it. Share this video with your colleagues and start inviting your guests to data rooms, customer portals, board meeting notes, investor portals, projects, and more. Have fun bringing your team and clients into the future with Bit.ai. To learn more about Bit.ai, go to our Bit Academy. Bit.ai, the world's most powerful document collaboration platform.